Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is Olivier. I am a certified mindfulness meditation teacher, and in my channel you will find meditation tips, mindfulness practices, and also guided meditations. So if you enjoy this type of content, make sure to subscribe. In today's video, I want to address two comments that have been posted recently on my videos that express some challenges with the practice. So let's start with the first one. This question has been asked by Ted Castrans, and he has written, I have been meditating for 4 days now, and I still don't know what's the main goal of meditation. I mean, some say you meditate in order to be in the present moment. So I did focus on my breathing. It was effective. I feel present in the moment. But when I focus on my breathing, I lose my relaxation because I keep telling my brain to breathe in and breathe out, and therefore I can't relax fully. On the other hand, if I don't focus on my breathing, I become very relaxed. Which is, I think, is the point of meditation. But if I do this, I become absent in the moment. It's just like I'm sleeping while awake. So first of all, Ted, thank you for your question. And I think there's a lot of pertinent and clear observation that you share. And also, I wanted to make a video about it because you are not the only one who is experiencing that. I have certainly felt the same way several times. So here is my answer. When we start something new, say golf or a sport like tennis, when we first learn, we don't really strike the ball very freely and with ease. Maybe we feel a little bit weird about how we're supposed to move and swing the racket and so forth. And it takes time and practice to be able to move with relaxation. And it goes the same way with meditation. With time and practice, you will be able to rest in the present moment with more ease and more relaxation. It's all normal. It also makes some sense because we have spent our whole life keeping ourselves busy, right? Even when we want to take a rest, we use our cell phones, we watch a movie. We are never really sitting and doing nothing except when we meditate. So when we meditate and focus our attention on our breathing, our body can feel restless. Our mind can feel agitated because it is not used to it. It wants to go in the past, it wants to go in the future, or like you said, it fantasizes on something. So at the beginning, it takes a little bit of effort to stay focused. And what we try to develop is to be focused, but at the same time relaxed, right? And the one tip that I have is that don't be afraid if your mind drifts away. Often beginners are afraid that if their mind drifts away, they are failing the exercise. Simply focus on your breathing and try to relax. And the mind at one point, will drift away, whether it is after 2 breaths or 5 or 10. But remember that when the mind drifts away and you notice that it is somewhere else, this is you are doing it correctly because you are noticing that the mind has drifted away and I bring it back. It is an opportunity for us to train our mind from being distracted to being focused and bring it back to the present moment. It is very much like flexing, when we are flexing with a weight. So don't worry, it will come with time. At times it happens to me as well. Maybe because I have been very busy, maybe because my mind has been thinking a lot about certain things. So when I come and sit, I still have all those emotions and thoughts going on. And so it takes time at the beginning for my body and my mind to kind of like settle down. And so at first, I don't feel relaxed. But after some time, maybe for me in my case, and in some days, it takes 20 to 30 minutes, I feel more relaxed. Some days it takes shorter. So another tip is, when we are practicing mindful breathing, we are trying to let our breathing be as natural as possible. We try not to control it. At first, when I started meditation, I thought that my breathing had to be in a certain way, 4 counts in and 4 counts out. But I realized that I could not feel relaxed when I was breathing like this. So now I try to let the breathing happen and just to observe it. Sometimes I observe it and I see it to be shallow and short, and sometimes it is a little bit deeper. And sometimes I need to take some deep in-breath and out-breath to relax. So try not to control your breathing, because as soon as you try to control your breathing, you might lose your sense of relaxation. So I hope those tips will be helpful to you. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comments below. I will answer them and or make videos. So thank you for your question and your comments, and I will see you soon.